So, Insta360 has finally made a move, and this time it's not just another rumor. The Insta360 Luna Ultra has now been officially teased, and things are starting to get very real. Just a few days ago, this was all based on leaks and speculation, but now Insta360 has posted a teaser on social media confirming that their upcoming pocket camera will be shown at the NAB Show 2026 between April 19 and 22. And the biggest update? You'll actually be able to see it in person and even try it out. Now, the teaser image itself is blurred, but even through that blur, one detail stands out very clearly. This is a dual camera setup, two lenses sitting side by side on a compact gimbal. And that's a big deal because this is something we haven't seen yet from DJI's pocket cameras. From everything we've seen so far, this isn't just a simple upgrade. The Luna Ultra looks like a completely different approach to pocket cameras. Instead of sticking with a single lens, Insta360 is going all in on flexibility. That second lens could allow for things like optical zoom switching, better subject tracking, and more creative shooting options overall. Leaks have also suggested that this camera could come with around 3x optical zoom and a 1550 mAh battery, which is actually larger than what we saw in the previous generation of pocket cameras, so battery life shouldn't be a concern here. And when it comes to design, this looks like it's built for creators, not just casual users. We're talking about a flip-out, rotating touchscreen, a thumb joystick for control, dedicated zoom buttons, and a proper record button. It feels more like a serious filming tool rather than just a quick vlog camera. On top of that, Insta360 might also bring in its biggest strength, software. The brand is already known for things like AI editing and smart reframing, so if they combine that with this new hardware, it could give them a real edge in this space. There are also hints that a new wireless mic could be launching alongside it, possibly to compete directly with DJI's audio setup. And interestingly, there's even talk about another device called E-Link, although details on that are still pretty unclear. Now, all of this is happening at a very interesting time because DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is also expected to launch soon, and there are even rumors of a higher-end DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro version with a similar dual camera idea. So what we're looking at right now is the start of a serious competition. Insta360 is no longer just experimenting, they're stepping directly into DJI's territory with something bold and different. At this point, we still don't have official pricing or a full spec sheet, but one thing is clear, we're just days away from seeing what this camera can actually do in real life. And if the leaks and teasers are anything to go by, the Insta360 Luna Ultra might end up being one of the most interesting creator cameras of the year.